What's going on, friends? Wife and I are hanging out in Hawaii today.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. Yay! So I'm just going to take you guys around, show you all the sights. This place is amazing, so hopefully I can capture it in a way that does it justice. Oh wow, we gotta go down there. It is pretty. Right here, hold this. Hold these keys.
Don't get your pants wet.
Oh. But one time in my life, I'm excited about getting in the ocean, and my wife tells me not to get wet. We're gonna do it anyway. Woo! Oh fuck! It's not as warm as I expected it to be, but it's still pretty fucking badass. Woo! This will be the one and only time you guys ever see me in the ocean. Whoa. You can feel it, it's strong, it like pulls you out. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm done. Alright, so I got hit the big wave. It dragged me what feels like about 10 feet. And I got sand in places sand shouldn't be. So I'm done. Done with the ocean for today. Yeah, I've got sand in my ass. It's never cool. That was a mistake. I knew I shouldn't have gone in the ocean. Would you guys let me go in the ocean? That was worth it though. What's in there? Some kind of spooky cave. You know what? This is how bad horror movies start. I'm pretty sure I've seen one where people go in there and they don't come back out. Nope. No, I'm good. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Is there a mirror back there? Whoa, there's something back there. Maybe you can get to this thing from another side? No, I think I'm going in there is probably a bad idea. Ah, fuck it. We're going to the cave. Oh hell, this is a terrible idea. This is the worst idea I've ever had, but it is pretty fucking cool though. Hello? What's over there? I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way in the back, there's some shit. Hello? Oh, there's a person. Oh, I think we go to the other side. I'm still not that stupid to go all the way through there though. Fuck that. I'm out. These rocks are so cool. I want to say it's probably like a lava rock, but I have no idea. No, I don't want to walk over there. So I'm not sure if we're supposed to be over here. I don't see any other people's coming this way. But man, it's beautiful. Oh, we're getting close, we're getting close. Whoa, look at that big ass crab. Ah! I'm not getting that close. All right, so let's wait for this water to come out. hear it underneath. Oh, that was awesome. I wonder if that's like solid rock or
Here, look at the blowhole.
Whoa.
Look at the blowhole now.
Oh. It's so cool that places like this exist outside of magazines and shit you see on the internet. Like if I was gonna live outside and just be content to have my own little spot, I think this would do it. With the house like right there in the corner, where that old lady sitting, the garage over there, strip club over here. This place is gonna be epic.